everyone, my name is Maria Lanyola and welcome to my YouTube channel. And today we dance Bachata Lady style, and I prepare for you so amazing tutorial dance with the amazing bachata singer Kevin Cosmas. Let's go. Okay, we start from the turn to the left. I will do one. I do step to my right foot and turn to the left. 1, 2, step, touch. Stop in diagonal. Yes. Then I go back 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Yes, straight the right leg. With the arms, I will do 1 and turn 2, 3 and 4. Here I rotate my back and the left arm go forward and right go back. 5. With my leg. 5 and 6 down, step forward. 7 and 8. Yes, continue. Here I will do cross and I will do 1. Yes. 2 and 3 and 4. Here. 5. 6, I will do wave. 7 and 8. Okay, here my arm do this. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Yes, and here with the wave, I will do my arm go forward. Yes, elbow going forward and the arms too, like this. Step 5, 6, step and touch. Okay, here my right arm go down. 1 and left the same. 2 and 3, 4. With the legs. 1 and 2 and 3, touch. Together and 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Here I will do turn to the left, very easy. 1, 5, 6, 7, 8. With my arm, I will do right arm to the circle, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Yes, left, 5, 6, 7, 8. Try it. And 5, here 6 like a crown, and 7, 8. Yes, and here I push my left hip. 7 and 8. Okay, continue. I will go down, circle. 1 and 2, 3, 4, and here 5, 6, 7, and head 8. With the arms. Here work only my right arm. I will do straight with the legs. 5, do circle, 2, 3, and together, my hands do line, 4. Yes, here, 5, 6, very strong, 7, 8. Yay! This is the end of the first part. Here we go, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 6, step forward. 7, step forward. 8. Again. And elbow. 1, 2, and 3, close the right leg. 4, open and close and open. 5, 6, step 7, 8. Here we go. I will do 1 and 2, push. The left arm start. Step right leg, 1 and 2. Here my neck and my arm do one line. Yes. Then 3 is the same and 4, but without my neck. 4. And then I will do A with my neck. And I go down with the wave. 5, 6, I will do wave. 7 and 8. Okay, again, this part. 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5. 6, 7, touch. Let's go continue. And footwork with the left leg. We broke the basics a little bit. And 1 and 2 and 3. And here we open with a wave, and I will do my right arm to the side. 4 and push. 5, hip roll. 6, step left. 7 and touch. 8. Yes, and here preparation 8 with my right arm. And this is very easy part. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5 and 6. Here I will do right and left leg. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. 1 easy part, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and 6 and 7. Head roll. And 8. And here I will do my step in the right leg, and I will do circle with my left arm. I like open my chest and open my shoulder. Yes, I will do 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Here. Yes, I will a little bit rotate. 4. Yes, like a twist with my body. Okay, again. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, here I will do turn to the right. 5, 6, 7 and 8. Yes. I will do my hands do this. Whoa. Yes, little bit pushing. And 5, 6, step, step, step. Yes. And I will do my right leg is free, like this position. Yeah. Okay, again. 5, 6, 7, and 8. And here I will do footwork like ki. I always do. To the back. Back, forward, and back, forward, and. Again. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Yes, here I open my hip and like open my leg and rotate my hip, and I will do left hip go up. 5 and 6 and 7. Again. And 1 and 2 I rotate. 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7. And here I change the leg. 8. Here I will do a little bit twist with the arm. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and very easy. Here cross 5, 6 with my arm and the leg 2. 5, 6 and 7, 8. Here we go. And push. I will do turn and catch. Yeah. And 1, 2, 3, catch 4. Yes. And 5. And 5, 6. And I will do half square. 7, 8. I will do turn. 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5. And 5, step 6. My right arm go down. And here I will do my hip forward. 7, 7, 8. Whoa. Yeah, and I will go up and boom. Very strong. Yay! This is the ending, my dear. Okay, let's go to do from the top with the count very slowly with me. Let's go. 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 5, 6, 7, down and up. 2, 3, 4 and woof. 6, head. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and down. 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, change. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, cross. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1 and 2, 3, catch. 4, 5, 7, 8, and 1.
Lo que hacemos nadie debe saber. El silencio se debe mantener. Solo escucho tus gemidos que susurran mis oídos. Este momento no lo quiero perder. Como tú lo mueves, mami, me hace enloquecer. Cada gota tuya solo aumenta el placer. Llévame al infierno, ámame o mátame. Hasta que tus sueños se me queden en la piel. Como tú lo mueves, mami, me hace enloquecer. Cada gota tuya solo aumenta el placer. Llévame al infierno, ámame o mátame. Hasta que tus sueños se me queden en la piel.
Okay, guys, this is it. Thank you so much. And practice, practice, practice. Tag me in Instagram. Do with the video. Dance Bachata Lady style. Dance bachata. Tell about bachata your friends because I love bachata so much. And see you the next tutorial. Bye bye.